गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Namaste, everyone. This is Ronnie from Pillai Center, and we welcome you with love to our Guru's Grace community chanting session as we prepare ourselves for the transformative energies of the full moon of the Guru, also known as Guru Purnima. So what is Guru Purnima? Well, every full moon is known in Sanskrit as Purnima, and every full moon is an opportunity to consciously tune into the full moon's subtle power over the brain for blessings of abundance. Now, once a year is a very special full moon known as Guru Purnima. Dr. Pillai has said that the full moon of the Guru is the most important time for everyone who seeks enlightenment, the ultimate goal of life. Guru is a word that means the remover of darkness. The Guru removes our ignorance of our true nature and reveals the light of who and what we really are, which is a divine being. A true Guru or Satguru is a fully enlightened being. Such is the case with Dr. Pillai. He is a fully enlightened being who has chosen to return to the physical realm to help us evolve, and specifically now to lead us out of the darkness of Kali Yuga into the light of the golden age, Satya Yuga. Dr. Pillai has said, God comes here in the form of the Guru, and if you are fortunate, you will know who your Guru is. You'll be transformed by looking at the Guru, because the Guru's body carries chakras, energy points. His very form is transformative. His very look is transformative. If he thinks about someone, that is the greatest blessing they can have, because God comes in the form of a Guru. Now on Guru Purnima, true Gurus and enlightened teachers, both living and deceased, are close to the earth plane, showering us with life-changing blessings. In addition, angels and ascended masters are also transmitting their light during Guru Purnima to help remove the ignorance of humanity. This is a holy night. Guru Purnima is a time when we can more easily receive the light of higher consciousness. Through divine grace, we can receive merit worth hundreds of hours of meditation by surrendering with love, respect, and gratitude to our teachers on Guru Purnima. In the Vedic tradition, a simple prayer that we can recite on Guru Purnima to invoke the blessings of enlightened gurus is this: Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. The Guru is Brahma, the Creator God. The Guru is Vishnu, the Sustainer God. The Guru is Shiva, the one who destroys in order to create. The Guru is Parabrahma, the ultimate Godhead. I bow to Sri Guru. Enlightened gurus are often attributed with having the ability to change the karma of people. Dr. Pillai has recently said, in this incarnation, I have the energy, disposition, and ability to end pain. During this session, we will begin by invoking Ganesha, a divine archetype who removes obstacles, using his mantra, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Dr. Pillai has said that when you call upon Ganesha, he doesn't come alone. He comes with his army of angels. Now, after we invoke the blessings of Ganesha, we will chant the Guru prayer that we just talked about. So now, make yourself comfortable, preferably in a place where you won't be distracted. The words for all the chants will appear on the screen. Set an intention for what you would like to receive in this session. Ask for the blessings of the divine. Let's chant now.
Om Dham Ganapataye Namaha. 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 Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः Maheshwarah Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
Now, close your eyes. Allow the sacred syllables of the mantra to continue to reverberate inside you, filling every cell with divine grace. As Dr. Pillai is a fully enlightened being, he is not bound by time nor space and can come at any moment in the form of his light body. Open your eyes and receive now the darshan of Dr. Pillai, the energetic transmission flowing from his hands right now, blessing you and preparing you for profound transformation, reminding you of your truest nature. You are love, you are light, you are divine, you are blessed. Slowly and gently, you can come back to yourself, and whenever you're ready, you can end the meditation. Thank you for joining this session. There's still time to join the virtual live stream event featuring a live initiation into Sri Vidya by Dr. Pillai. Sri Vidya is a sacred system of 16 mantric sounds that channel the divine feminine, nature's creative intelligence, through breath, sound, and focused intention. This practice has been preserved by enlightened masters for centuries and taught only to a select few disciples as a means to access higher truth, deep inner peace, and abundant life. Dr. Pillai has decided that now is the right time to reveal Sri Vidya, the queen of all the mantras, to experience the mother goddess Lalita Tripura Sundari within the body and externally outside the body. This is not simply a teaching. It is an energetic initiation into one of the most powerful vibrational frequencies within this ancient tradition. These sounds carry the seed vibration that can begin to dissolve limitations and align you with higher intelligence. Dr. Pillai's initiation will take place in just a few hours, 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, which translates to July 10th, 1 a.m. UTC and 6:30 a.m. IST. The link for more information and to join is posted below this video box. It's also pinned at the top of the chat box. We hope to see you at this event. Above all, though, take your own time on this holy night to connect with the divine, pray, chant, and meditate. Stay open to all the blessings that will be pouring forth on this sacred night. We offer our heartfelt thanks to Lord Ganesha, all the gurus and teachers that have guided us through many lifetimes, and humble gratitude to our beloved Dr. Pillai. Thank you for joining this session. Till we meet again, God bless you, we love you, and we'll see you soon. Namaste.
Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Tasmai Shri Gurave